Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this. So let's see how to make it. First I take some cardboard. The length of the first two is 13.2 cm and the width is 8.2 cm. The length of the next two cardboards is 25 cm and the width is 8 cm. The length of the last two cardboards is 25 cm and the width is 13 cm. Now I have taken a paper to wrap the cardboards. So wrapping the cardboards with paper is over. Now I will write my channel name here. I forgive and leave those who are in need. Now here is end of writing my channel name. Now I will cut this part. All cuts are finished. Now I have taken such a paper and wrapped the cardboard with it. Now I have taken the 25 by 8 cm cardboard and attached it into the cardboard using glue gun. Now I have taken a light and bring the light wires forward. Now I put glue under the light and sticking it into the cardboard below. Now I have taken a light. Now connect the plus part of the light to the plus part of the battery. Now I have taken a minus wire and attach it to the minus side of the battery. Now I have taken the 25 by 13 cm cardboard and a switch. I will now cut these lines. I have taken a minus wire and will connect it with this wire. Now I will insert the two minus wires into these holes. I have taken this switch and will stick it to these wires. Now I have put glue in the battery and stick it with cardboard. Now I am attaching this cardboard to the cardboard below. Now I have taken cardboard of upper part and stick it with this. Now I will attach the cardboards on both sides. Work is almost done. Now I will attach the long black papers here. I forgive and leave those who are in need. Danite Allah have mercy on you. If you surely have yourself to everyone who's around you on the day of judgment.